Hi, my name is Matt from 777 Performance, and this is going to be the assembly video for the Mach 1 front fascia. Now, we just got our bumper back from paint in magnetic metallic. I'm going to go over kind of what it is that we got done. So the bumper itself is magnetic metallic, and you're going to get it painted whatever it is your OEM color is. The upper grille we chose to paint in a gloss black, and that's going to be G1, the factory Ford color for the black paint. After that, we also got the side grills in a texture gray paint, and the same is going to go for the lower grille. Now the choice is yours whether you want to go with texture or a gloss finish, but we highly recommend all parts that are going to be visible to be painted. Otherwise you're going to end up with a raw plastic look, which isn't the darkest black you could go or the factory paint that you want to go with. So now we're going to get on to the installation. We're going to start by taking a look at these two supports that your bumper actually ships with. We're going to grab them, twist them firmly, and then pull them out. After that, we start with the assembly of the actual upper grille, and we're going to put the bumper face down with something protecting the paint. And now that we have the front bumper face down on a surface that won't scratch the paint, we're going to take our upper grille and start popping these tabs into place. Make sure that they're all aligned, and once you start doing it, you should get an audible click and a feedback that they're going into place. And we're going to make our way all the way across the grille and making sure that all of the tabs line up. And now our grille is in place. And now for the lower grille portion of this video. We'd typically be installing this factory style lower grille, which is included in your kit. However, we're going to be installing our 777 Performance ducted lower grille, which is a part of the brake cooling kit for the Mach 1. It's inspired by the Gen 3 Australian supercar, and then it installs in the exact same manner as the factory grille. We're just going to line these tabs up and start snapping them into place, same way as we did in the upper grille. Now for the side grills, we're going to be doing the same exact procedure that we did for the upper and lower grills. We're going to take our part, line it up with the tabs that we see, and start pushing in firmly. Good. Now with our side grills in place, we're going to take our bumper to chin spoiler bracket and place it on the side by locating one of the guiding pins. Once it's there, take your Phillip head bolts and start placing them through alongside the washers and nuts. So now with our bumper to chin spoiler brackets in place, we're going to be taking our chin spoiler and preparing it with these screw clips and then popping the tabs into place alongside the lower grille and the actual bumper itself. Now, in order to prepare this chin spoiler, we're going to be taking 12 of these screw clips, pinching them together slightly, and putting them into their appropriate tabs, making sure to focus that the threads are towards the front of the chin spoiler. And we're going to do this for all locations. And now with our chin spoiler all prepared with the screw clips, we're going to take it, flip it back over, and line it up with the tabs alongside the bumper. And now the last part of installing the chin spoiler is by fastening all 12 of the remaining bolts into the screw clips. Now for this next part of the installation, we're going to be installing the fender liner extensions. In order to do so, we're going to take one of them and making sure that it's the correct side. In this case, we're dealing with the left side. I'm going to take something just to prop up the bumper. Take the fender liner extension, one of the corresponding bolts, and on the back side, a washer followed by a nut. Now for those of you who choose to install your handling pack lip, we're going to be taking these expansion fasteners and putting them on the bottom side of the handling pack lip, lining it up with the bumper itself. I'm going to start right down the middle. And now for the last part of the handling pack lip, we're going to be taking a bolt and running it through the end of the lip. Oop. Moving on to the turn signals, we're going to take the turn signal brackets that correspond to the right and left side, as well as the screws, and begin the installation. Now, a fun fact about our Mach 1 kit is that unlike the actual Mach 1, we are able to carry over our 18 plus LED turn signals rather than having to source the 15 to 17 turn signals. And now we're ready to install the actual housing itself. Now this concludes the assembly portion of the 777 Mach 1 front fascia kit with our exclusive ducted lower grille, which is a part of our brake cooling kit, with either the Mach 1 upper grille blanks or our exclusive GTE lights.